Sometimes life breaks you. But remember, it's in the darkest moments that your story truly begins. Most people wait for the perfect moment, but champions create it. Courage is never about being fearless. It's about jumping even when your heart is shaking.
Greatness begins the moment you stop letting fear control your life. The moment you say, enough.
I know you're tired. I know the anxiety, the pressure, the battles no one sees. But listen, you're not weak. You're human. And healing begins with one small step. Taking a breath, facing the day, and choosing not to give up, even when it hurts.
Piece by piece, you rebuild yourself. Slowly, painfully, beautifully.
Athlete winning, artist finishing masterpiece, businessman sealing deal. And then one day, the results show up. Success appears, not by luck, but because you refuse to quit. This is your journey. This is your rise. Your story starts today.